Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be showing you how to create 5 gorgeous nail art designs that are perfect for winter. The best part about these designs is that you'll only need a toothpick to create them.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. The first design is a snow globe. Start off by painting your nail silver. Once the polish is dry, apply a dark blue a couple of millimeters down from the cuticle, making sure to leave space at the edges as well. Next, use a toothpick to place pieces of silver glitter on the blue section. Instead of using a toothpick, you could definitely just apply a layer of silver glitter polish. I'm just doing it this way because the polish that I used also has pieces of black glitter in it, which I didn't want for this design. When you're happy with the glitter placement, use the brush from the bottle of silver polish to cap the free edge of the nail and complete the outline. The next nail is holly and berries. Start off with a dark blue base. Make 3 silver dots at the top of your nail for the berries, and then make the holly leaves on either side with white. Next, we'll be making a snowman. Start off with a bluish-gray polish. Use the brush from a bottle of white polish to make a thin stripe from the center of the nail down, and then thicken it at the bottom to make the snowman's body. When the polish is dry, use a toothpick dipped in orange to make the nose, and then use black to make the eyes and the mouth. For the scarf, make alternating dots with blue and silver where the head meets the body. Finally, add a couple of snowflakes around the snowman with white. For this nail, we'll be making a kind of dotted gradient. Start off with a white base. When the base is dry, use a toothpick to make some light blue dots on the nail. You want to have more dots near the tip, and then you want them to fade out as you get closer to the top. Add some more dots with dark blue and then with silver. You can always go back in and add more dots of any of the colors if you feel like it's not full enough. For the last nail, we'll be writing ho ho ho. Start off with a white base. To make the first H, make 4 dark blue dots near the top of the nail. Make another column of dots a couple of millimeters to the right and then connect them. Keep using a toothpick and blue polish to make a ring of dots for the O. Repeat the same process 2 more times, once with bluish gray and once with silver. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 5 designs did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.